Hi guys, Joby here and welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe if you are new. Today guys, we're going to unbox a new package that I bought. Hello guys! So, another package just arrived today guys. Ito naman yung in-order ko guys na utensils. So, let's check it out. These are rose gold guys. Yes, so let me show you what are the things. Isang set ito guys. Yes. Ta-da! Oh, so cute! So nice! Yes guys. So nice. Look at this. So we have this one guys. Okay, we also have this one. Oh, rose gold guys. Oh, I see. And this one. Yes. Wow. So nice. I love it. I love the color guys. So let's check everything if they are right. Okay guys. Let's see this one. Parang mahirap siyang tanggalin. Oh, so cute, so nice guys, isn't it? And this one guys, they are all silicone guys. Woohoo! Woohoo! Taran! Taran, taran, taran! Yes guys, so nandyan yung brand niya, BGT. Yes. BGT. Ang cute guys, hindi ba? They're all so nice, isn't it? Yeah. So this one guys is 20 euros. Itong apat na ito. Yes, so this is for soup. And look at this. Close din siya dito guys. So it's really so nice. For soup, for cake. Yes, yung toppings. And this one is for frying. Ito naman ay so nice. So I love them guys. Yes. They are so beautiful, isn't it guys? Look at the handles. Yes. Hello guys, so I am using my new ladle guys and I am so loving it because it is really so nice. It's a silicone guys. Yes. Hindi siya plastic, silicone siya guys. Kaya as in na ang gandang gamitin. And also this metal thing guys. Yes, as you can tell that I really love rose gold. Ano siya guys? Medyo mabigat siya. Yes, but still nice. Yeah. So I am cooking seafood with tagliatelle guys for lunch. Ito lang naman yung seafood guys. Yung malalaki na yan guys, squid siya. As in very big squid guys. Ang lalaki niya. Round siya guys, kaso nga lang I cut into small pieces. Tapos yung maliliit guys, yun naman yung baby squid. Yes, kaya maliliit lang siya. Yummy! Hello guys, it is so foggy here guys in our place. Yes, as you can tell guys, You cannot see the car in 100 meters, guys. Yes, look. And they are also taking down all the decorations here in our town. Yes, guys, so they are taking down now all the Christmas decorations here. And yes, so foggy, guys. Look at Abby.
Come here.
So foggy, guys.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe if you are new, and hope to see you again at the next one. Bye.